G'day viewers, Buck's Gas Garage again. Today we've got another terrible day in Albury-Wodonga, but we have a meet today with the Albury-Wodonga modified car community. So yeah, hopefully the weather hangs out a little bit and not too much rain, and we'll go and have a look. Alright, we're ready to go to the car show? Okay.
I'm picturing you acting like a fool. I'm on the other side. You're like a full moon, and I'm up all night, howling at you. Tables have turned. Tables have turned. Tables have turned. Tables have turned. I used to be chill, now I can't catch my breath. When you say my name, I feel tight in my chest. Can't handle the space, I need you here by my side. You make me sweat in the coziest of nights, yeah. I had control in the driver's seat, but my hands are slipping off the wheel. Now the tables have turned. Now I'm up all night. I'm picturing you acting like
Not ideal weather for driving in classic vehicles.
and I'm up all night, howling at you. Tables have turned.
Thanks for watching that vid. As you can see, the weather didn't hold off yesterday. Now we got the cars in the shed just before it started to pour down and then actually hail. So yeah, the weather's been pretty pathetic up here, but hopefully it gets better and we can do some more reviews for you. Thanks for watching.